Alright, welcome back to a new video, friends. I'm Nicole, this is Nicole Outside. I'm here with my friends Anna and Joy, and we are backpacking. Really short trip, just 2 miles in and out. Just up creek from where Eric and I got married. We are maybe a mile into our hike now. About to cross this big old river. I'm not trying to get my feet wet. I got my waterproof boots on. Nice. We all made it across. We all have dry feet. Imagine if that water was hot and you could just sit down there in the bottom like a big old hot tub. It'd be crazy.
Our final descent onto our final destination, which is down here at our camping spot.
Wait,
so
what?
We're going down there.
We have to go down there?
Oh,
we're going down here. Oh my gosh.
I feel scared about that.
I thought we were going that way.
Nope.
All right, lead the way, Anna.
Say butt first, but maybe it's not.
Just steps.
Yeah, slippery steps.
We made it! Woo! Oh, so this is Bard Falls. Woo!
We are literally going to camp as opposed to
Bard Falls.
This is okay for you. I don't know if the accommodations are good enough for your standards.
Oh yeah, I'd say they pass. Wow. Perfect little fire pit.
I don't think you understand how good this water is. I am taking a sip of it. I just collected it from the river. This is like filtering it. And this water heals the sick, makes the blind man see.
Amen. Woo. If you come camping and you don't bring Poppi cherry limeade, what are you even doing? Are you even camping? A lot of this like tree of people that you see is from Hurricane Helene. Hurricane Helene hit this area of North Carolina pretty, like really hard. Let's see, 14 months ago now. It's November 22nd, so yeah, it was 14 months ago. So you can, as you're driving up and down the roads, you can still see a lot of evidence of that. It's pretty sad. Like driving in, we could see like an RV flipped over still. Like kind of like just hanging in the river. Someone's RV, I guess, got swept away by the river. It's pretty sad. So this is probably better evidence here of what I mean. Hurricane Helene really it's like a 100-year flood in this area. And what made it so bad is that there was like a historical amount of rain in the area before, and then the hurricane hit, and it just kept pounding the area with rain, and the land just couldn't take it in. So over here is a good example of like how everything was kind of like swept away and brushed up onto the banks. I would say like before Helene, of course you're gonna have trees on the riverside, but it's nothing like this is over here. I don't know if you can tell. Like this kind of stuff I feel like is like normal riverside stuff, but then back over there where we were just collecting wood, you can tell like where trees that were completely uprooted to like far upriver were washed down. It's pretty crazy to look at. Fire starter things, a ton of dryer lint, and then I like built a house. Here, I'll show you. I built a house, so hopefully this will work.
You want some leaves?
Huh?
You want some more leaves? Like, I'm gonna try to find the dries.
Oh, leaves could be good. Yeah. Let's not get excited.
Wait for that. I am excited.
I'm just like, I don't know. There's not a lot of dry stuff, you know?
Yeah.
It's hard. Maybe some of that stuff?
Like out there.
Yeah, we're gonna have to make like a pretty big stockpile. Yeah. Not bad. Now for the hard part, I have to keep it going.
You okay?
That just scared me. All right, all right. I'm pretty sure we're burning rhododendron, which I'm like pretty confident you're not supposed to do that, that it gives off something toxic of sorts, I don't know. So hopefully we can find some other dry stuff once we get this started. I'm gonna keep feeding the fire with that because we've been able to find a lot of it dry. So it's roaring now.
Yeah, baby.
Woo!
I think we can all make our own.
Okay.
So this is camping dinners that I grew up with, but they were not introduced to me by my family, but by my best friend's family, because my family didn't camp. So basically, we'll each take like, I would say, here's what I would ideally do. We each take like a 6 of these.
Okay.
So I'll try to take a little.
Are these Jackson's carrots?
Yes, these are Jackson's carrots.
And onions?
No, that's the only thing that's Jackson's is the carrots. And this ground beef is local from the market.
It's from Market?
Uh-huh.
That's so cool.
Meadow Lane in Durham. Okay. So what I kind of want to do is The reason why we did like a sixth instead of a third is I want the ground beef to kind of be on the inside of the vegetables, so it doesn't get dried out.
Yeah.
Because that's kind of the...
And overcooked.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, the smoke maybe.
Yeah. Mm.
Gotta get another hit. Another little pile.
So next, you kind of want to position all your stuff, so you can use your fingers or spoon, really in like the center of your foil as much as possible. And then the method is to fold the top down really nicely.
Okay.
First, and then do your side.
All right, we're getting dinner on the fire now. We're a little nervous to like mess up the coals, but are you okay?
Yeah.
Yep. We can get it working again, or get it roaring again.
Yeah.
And there's camp. All right, it's getting a little chilly now. So I went and got my jacket out. Wanted to say before I forget, I have a pocket knife with me today. I never carry a pocket knife typically because, like backpacking, because I'm usually with like Eric or Alex or my dad. But I have this pocket knife that Alex and my dad gave me from Philmont when he and my dad went out to the Philmont Boy Scout Ranch for a backpacking trip, and so I don't know, it's kind of special. I kind of forgot that I had this, and it was over there, we were prepping dinner and I saw where it was from and I was like, oh, my brother gave this to me. So
I'm just gonna flip it this way. Actually, that one looks almost good. I may switch this way.
you gonna make rice?
Yeah, a little
Nice.
bit of wild rice for the bottom. Good.
Yay! Oh yeah, that's cooked for sure. That looks so good.
All right,
Wow.
we can at least share that one.
Okay.
Let's strike the other.
All right, breakfast. Dessert is about to go on the fire. It's a good looking fire.
In my head, it's 11:30 p.m.
I know.
What
It's
is
like,
the accurate time?
hang on, let me look.
Probably what, 6 o'clock? 6:45?
7:28. 7:29.
That was really funny.
All right, we're trying to throw a bear bag. This is attempt number what? 5, maybe? And Joyce so has it. You got it in the bag. Got it in the bag. We're going for this tree here. Oh man. It's so much harder than it looks. All right, we did it. It's not the best bear bag hang, but It's in the air. It's away from us, so it's good enough, right?
Good enough.
Good morning. How often do you get to wake up and see this? Anna already has the fire going. Here's last night's bear bag situation. We wanted it to go on this tree right here. Then we settled for this. We also considered that tree, but we just couldn't get the rock up high enough, so. It worked, I guess. We didn't get any bears, so that makes it work, right? Alright, Chef Joy made us some bangin' oatmeal. We've got bacon and fruit. Did that work? Oh my gosh.
There you go. I don't want to sit in a chair. I don't want to sit in a chair. I want to stand in a chair. Well, right now it's because I slept on the ground and I slept about 30 pounds worth of giant half-broken trees up the trail and down the trail and then down a gully. And I had to go get water from a waterfall. And my lower back is a little tweaky because I'm 35. And that's life. But I'm happy. So if I sit, I may never get up again.
If you decide to
I have to stay limber.
If you decide to sit, I promise I will help you get back up again.
I think we should do some yoga.
Ooh.
How do I stop this from flowing?
You put it up high because it's gravity.
This is the remainder of the cookie skillet last night. It did not work.
Not a successful experiment.
Anna just braided my hair for me. We're getting ready to pack up. It's like 9:45, probably 10 o'clock. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock on the dot, so it's time to get packed up. It's like a beer bong, but for 30 plus.
video is not brought to you yet by Poppi.
Poppi, please sponsor Nicole.
We love Poppi! All right. Bye-bye, campsite. All right, we're back to the crossing. All right, I made it across. The GoPro died, so makes it a little bit harder to film. Didn't dare get my phone out in the middle of the river. We're almost to the car now. It's not too much further. I remember this ravine being, yeah, pretty close to the car. This has been such a good trip. We left my house maybe 24 hours ago, not even. Got just far enough out into the woods where it felt like we were on a real adventure. Well, we are on a real adventure, but. And then back home a little over 24 hours later, and I can still have a Sunday afternoon with the family. It's like perfect adventure weekend. Before I forget to say it later on, thank you for coming on this adventure with us. I really appreciate it. I love documenting my outdoor adventures and in all forms, and I really enjoy sharing it with everyone. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.